everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little girl's room home decor kind of haul video for you guys. There's probably going to be some more stuff along the way that I'm going to be getting for my youngest daughter. She's 8 and we are actually redoing her room, sort of. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, then you probably have seen her bedroom. I did a cleaning and organization video in there about 2 years ago. We have a wall decal on her wall that she specifically does not want to get rid of, which means I'm not going to repaint the room, which it didn't really need to be repainted anyway, but we were going to like get her all new furniture, repaint the walls, you know, change up everything. Well, she didn't want to get rid of the tree and she really didn't want to get rid of the color. So I thought, well, it doesn't need to be repainted, so we'll just leave it the color it is and leave the tree there. So that kind of changed a little bit about what we're going to do with the decor, because only certain things I feel like went with that tree decal. I didn't want to go with like a heart theme or something with the tree. So kind of wanted to stick with the floral theme that she already had. We ended up, and it's kind of silly, but it's what she kind of wanted and we decided to do. We ended up getting her the same comforter that she already had, only in a bigger size, because we upgraded her bed from a twin to a full. We did that with her sister about the same years, about 8 or 9 years old. We did the same thing, got them out of their twin bed, got them a full bed, and that's the bed they're gonna have until they move out. So we ordered her bed. It hasn't come yet. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. We ordered the bed, the dresser, the mirror, and the nightstand, and then got her a new mattress. But we needed to get a full-size duvet of her comforter instead of the twin. So we actually repurchased in a full the Pottery Barn Kids Samantha duvet, and I like this one in particular with obviously the wall color. The wall color that's in there now is actually because of this duvet. We matched it to the duvet, so I know it matches. And I feel like the tree, the flowers and everything kind of pulls in with her tree because her tree decal has flowers on that. It's a really, really pretty soft pink and then bright pink and yellow, and there's some teals and blues, and there's some butterflies in there too. And she's actually got curtains that already match this, so it really made sense, I guess, to just get the bigger size. But you know, I kind of thought she'd want a whole new theme, but she didn't, so that's fine. So I actually have her twin duvet to sell if you guys are interested. There's no sense in keeping it because nobody has a twin bed anymore. So it's the same exact pattern as this. And if you guys are interested, maybe let me know and I can maybe see if one of you guys wants to buy the twin size one, because it's perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just we wanted to upgrade her bed. So I got her the duvet, and then I had to get an extra sham because obviously when you have a full bed, you have 2 shams instead of just the one. So we're keeping her sham from the previous bed, and then I got her an extra sham that matches. So I picked those up. Her bed set from Macy's. It's the Roseville, I believe it is, bed. We got the trundle option. We're not going to put a mattress in it. We're going to use the trundle for storage, and then we got the dresser, the nightstand, and the mirror. To go with her bed, I wanted to get her, needed to get her a blanket that would fit a full-size bed. So I found this one at Kohl's. It's the Intelligent Design plush blanket in this bright pink, which is so soft and cozy. So she's really excited about this. I told her she wanted to use it last night, and I was like, no, I have to film it first. So after I get done filming this video, I'm going to go wash it and she'll be able to sleep with it tonight. But it is really, really soft, and it was cheaper to get it at Kohl's because Macy's had it for $60. When I got it from Kohl's, it was $35, and then I had 30% coupon. So a really good deal on that. And then for some extra storage, I went to Ikea and got a couple things. If you saw her closet organization video, then you saw that we have the Ikea Trofast shelving system in her closet, which has bins that slide in and out, but we wanted to maybe kind of transition it to a little bit more of a bookshelf, or at least some of the ones can be bookshelves and some of them can be the bins. So these you can actually get from Ikea. It's just the Trofast shelf insert that turns that Trofast into a bookcase, or you can mix and match between the shelves and the bin. So I actually got 4 of these. This is just one of them. So I picked those up. And also from Ikea, I got her some other storage options. Under her bed, we're going to have the trundle, but I don't want to really put stuffed animals in there because I know she could fill up that entire thing with just stuffed animals and we wouldn't have any room for toys, which is the whole point of the trundle. So I wanted to get her some bin organizers to go under her bed that would store stuffed animals. Now we did already have one under her twin bed, but that was not going to fit anymore because the trundle, when you push it in, takes up a little bit more than half of the width of the bed. So you have a little bit less space over here to put things. So this is the same exact type of organizer that I had her stuffed animals in currently, but it's a little bit not as deep, so it will fit under the bed. This is this Scub, S-K-U-B-B, I don't know how to pronounce it. But basically it looks like this. It's just a white zip up kind of canvas material tote that you can put things in and slide them under the bed. And it's got a fairly low profile, which is nice. So I got actually I got 3 of these. 2 of them are already full with stuffed animals. And one more thing I got from that same Scub, whatever, collection. They have a bunch of different organizers. I got this one, which has dividers in it. And as you can see, it's already got stuff in it. This is gonna go in one of her dresser drawers, and it's all of her hair accessories. So she's got her headbands in this bigger compartment, little bows and clips, ponytailed hair ties, some fancy hair ties, and then headbands that are like the soft ones over here in this compartment. So we've already organized this. We're just waiting for the dresser to come in. But I thought that was really nice to kind of corral all of her hair supplies and bows. So we got that from Ikea. And the last thing that I picked up so far for her room, and I'm going to show you some footage of that because we actually already organized it and hung it up, but it is her hanging jewelry organizer. Her older sister has one. It's how we store her jewelry, and it's how we are going to store my youngest jewelry as well. Previously, we had it in a little jewelry box, which was really cute, and it worked for a while, and it would stay in her dresser drawer. But as she's gotten older, she's getting more and more stuff, and there's a lot of like chunkier costume pieces that were not fitting in that other jewelry box. So it was time to upgrade her and get this on the back of the door, which takes up very little space, but really is nice because she can see everything she's got, and it gets used a lot more often when she can see it, and it's more accessible to her. So that is everything that we have picked up for her so far. I'm really thinking I may want to get a really fluffy kind of faux fur pink rug, but I'm waiting until the furniture gets here to really see how it's going to look, you know, in the room. But you know how it is waiting for furniture. We've been delayed quite a few times. She's been sleeping on a mattress on the ground now for about 2 months. There was a delay with the first bed, then it came, and then we sent it back because we didn't like it. So we switched gears completely and got this other whole different set from Macy's. So poor thing, her room has been in shambles, and she's been sleeping on the ground, and her stuff from her room is all over the hallway and in my room, which is super nice. So I'll be glad, and I know she'll be glad to get her room put back together. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So if you want to see kind of how we change things and what stayed the same, and how we're going to reorganize, and how we're going to utilize that trundle under the bed for storage, and how we're going to change her closet organization up a little bit, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to it to be notified whenever I upload a new video, because YouTube is up to their usual tricks of unsubscribing people for whatever reason they decide to do that. They have been unsubscribing people, and I've had quite a few people tell me, hey, where are your videos? And I'm like, well, check and see if you're still subscribed, because I make videos every single week, and they were unsubscribed and they didn't know that they had been unsubscribed. So if you hit that bell, it will notify you every single time I make a video, and that way you won't miss that video or any of my other videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.